Hi, my name is Anna. Today I shall present you how to integrate an Excel spreadsheet to Itiner Workspace. Itiner Workspace has its own calculator, the Calc task card. However, to execute a complex calculation, Itiner Workspace provides opportunity to integrate it with an Excel spreadsheet. Let me explain how. Let's suppose we want to create an insurance claim template with numerous steps and decisions. I pick one calculation, a simple step to demonstrate how to set calculation parameters with Excel. The task is to calculate the so-called deductible, the difference between the price offer given by the repair shop and the cost estimated by the insurance company. It must be paid by the policyholder. We already have the repair shop proposal and the estimated cost as variables. First, create an Excel spreadsheet with at least 2 sheets and rename them as in and out. Go to the Template Variables page and press the Variables button to select and copy the repair shop proposal to the Excel name box or the name manager. Repeat it with the estimated cost variable. Navigate to the Out sheet. Define the cell that shall be used for reading the calculated value from the Excel to the variable named deductible. Define this formula, repair shop proposal minus estimated cost. It will use the variables you gave. You can create it either on the Out or the In sheet. Save the completed Excel file to your computer. Go to the Files page and upload the Excel file to the template. Drag and drop the Excel task object to the editor area on the flowchart. Choose the uploaded Excel file on the Templates tab. Press the Save button of the task card. Save the process. Now you can use the result as a template variable and insert it to the next tasks. It's so simple. Thanks for watching us and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye and good luck!